By the end of this video, your resume will look like this. I will help you write the best resume using ChatGPT, regardless of whether you have or don't have any experience. I promise. First, I want you to download my free resume template, because your resume needs a professional framework. Now click on the link in the description of this video, pick the free resume template, and as you can see, you will also get some matching cover letter and references templates. Now go add it to cart, enter your email, and click on Get. Continue without adding. Click on Open Templates, and you will then be redirected to Google Docs. Now make sure you are logged into your Google account, or else you can't make a copy of these templates. Now in the File menu, you can choose to make a copy, or download it as a Word file. Next, I want you to fine-tune your resume header. You see, changing words can disrupt the format, and if that happens, you can drag these invisible borders to bring it back to 2 lines. Also, if you want to increase font sizes, know that you can use custom spacing like this to align each of these 4 cells. Now it's perfectly fine to leave out some information like your date of birth or portfolio website, but don't exclude a link to a professional looking LinkedIn profile, the one with at least a clear profile picture and a banner that showcases your skill set. Most employers will check your LinkedIn profile anyway, okay? Now let's move on to the next section, add a summary or not. According to ChatGPT, and with so many resume questions, it depends on your situation. This example is perfect for those with little to no experience, as you seek to leverage skills and are driven to learn. And this example can be used if you have a little bit of experience. 3 to max 5 sentences is enough to show the recruiter that your profile matches the most important requirements listed in the job description. Now, if you have no clue what those are, you can ask ChatGPT. I've listed the prompts of this video in the comments section down below. You can use this one for the summary. So copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Just pause the video if you need time to process what I'm doing here. Okay, now copy the relevant part of the job description, paste it in between these brackets, and press enter. Ask ChatGPT to rephrase it in under 20 words if the answer is too long. Now take what's useful and ignore what is too much. So in this example, I'm adding a responsibility, but you can also do the same for the skills you see in between brackets. Okay? Next, I want you to highlight your work experience. Now, if you don't have work experience, call it the experience section. Okay, go back to the comments section and copy the first prompt under the work experience section and then paste it into ChatGPT. So again, pause the video to process what I'm doing here. Now, let's say I collaborated with other students to facilitate workshops in college. Press enter and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now, for more personalized answers, you should give ChatGPT more information about your experience. Now go back to the comments section, copy and paste the second prompt. Now, let's say I want ChatGPT to structure the first example according to the PAR method. And there you have it. Now, this is a really good example you can draw inspiration from. And with some edits here and there, your experience should look something like this. So the first bullet point is the problem. The second one is the action you took to solve the problem. And the last bullet point shows the results. Now use action verbs at the beginning of each sentence, metrics to bring more context to your experience, and bold highlight your quantified results. Also include a time frame so the recruiter understands the impact of your experience. Now let me bring back the original line and paragraph spacing for more space. Okay. Next, I want to help you upgrade your education section. You see, many don't have a degree related to the career they wish to pursue. But what you can do is, for example, follow and complete some free online courses on Coursera. Here you will find many courses offered by companies like IBM and Google. Or what about these suggestions from Colby's carousel post on LinkedIn? 7 free courses offered by top universities in the world. So what you can do is pick a course relevant to your field. Let's say this CS50 course, and update your education section with courses and certificates. Keep in mind to be transparent about the nature of the program. Distinguish it from a full degree program by adding words like online and the duration. So let's say you start right now, and you can include the anticipated completion date. And underneath, you can add a short description of the course and your learnings. Once you've completed the course, you will probably receive a certificate like this. And what you can do is copy the link, go back, select this part, hold Command K, and paste the link in here. Okay, next I will show you a super effective trick to optimize your skills section. Now, this section should be at the top of your resume when applying for jobs that revolve around being proficient in high-demand skills, such as in the tech industry, for example. It takes only 1 to max 3 lines of space. Now, if you have difficulties coming up with skills related to your job, use this prompt. List high-demand skills for a followed by your job title. Okay, and then press enter. You see? Or highlight the 10 most important skills listed in these job descriptions, and then copy and paste the requirements from some of your favorite job listings. And there you go. Now, as you can see, I've used different colors to highlight these skills. Black keywords indicate professional proficiency or above, and lighter colored skills represent beginner or intermediate skill levels. Now, if you feel like it lacks clarity, just open the character view and search for alternative ways to express your proficiency, like I did in this example. Now, using color differentiations like this makes your resume look dynamic and interesting. It is also super informative and doesn't waste any of the few seconds that recruiters spend reading. And most importantly, it gets you past the ATS system on skills you kind of fall short. All right? Now, use the project section to trigger emotion. Unlike other sections, this is where you can evoke genuine interest. When you highlight a project that aligns with the hiring manager's passion, you almost guarantee yourself a job interview. And at last, I want to show you a simple yet effective method to match your resume to each single job application. Now, go back to the comments section, copy this prompt, paste it in, include your industry, then go to your resume, hold Command or Control A to select all, copy, and paste it in between the brackets. Press enter and go back to the comments section. Copy the second prompt, include the job title, and then go to your preferred job listing and then copy and paste in the requirements. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now, as you can see, this is a quick and easy way to see where your resume falls short for a specific job role. But remain critical. ChatGPT isn't perfect. Now, once you're done, it's time to download your resume. First, name it like this, starting with your first and last name, followed by resume. Then go to File, Download, and choose either PDF or Word. Both are fine, but I prefer downloading it as a PDF file for a more professional look. And here's a bonus tip. Upload your resume to LinkedIn to get ahead of other candidates. Go to your LinkedIn profile, click on Jobs, and then on Application Settings. Now, if you toggle this on and upload your resume, recruiters will then be able to find your profile in their recruiter tool on skills and experiences listed in your resume. Now, they won't get access to your full resume, so don't worry. You can still manually upload your resume for each application or disable a maximum of 4 uploaded resumes, at least if you toggle this one on as well. Now, I'm sure you still have a question about how to write the best resume, and that's why I've listed all my answers to frequently asked questions in the comment section down below. Questions like what to do with employment gaps, how many pages should my resume be, or which section should come first, second, and so on. Make sure to check them out or leave a comment if you still have a question. Thanks for watching, follow me on LinkedIn, and I wish you all the best. Bye!